All right, so we fished a trout tournament yesterday. I cannot lie, we did not catch a single trout. So we're gonna go get our get back on the water today, land-based, and hopefully we can catch a lot of dinner. So we're gonna try to get some reds, try to get some trouts, and we'll take you along with us. Hope you enjoy.
That looks hot to me. Lay down. 20 and a half. Yeah, 20 and a half.
Perfect slot eating fish.
Perfect slots.
On the thumper shrimp.
Head. He's upside down on DOA. Right behind you. Small black drum on the shrimp.
Caught someone else's lure. Pretty good catch. First catch of the day. Little tiny break.
They got another small one. Oh, he's spooking the mullet.
Oh no.
Ridley got another one. That's a rat. Little red, number 4. Off he goes. Little rat. Oh, came off. That one's a little better.
Stop. Feisty fella.
It's our nifty contraption.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. 17?
Scoot it up a little bit.
That's on the 0.
I would throw him in.
17 on the dot.
17-incher in the bucket. Nice trout on the.
Shrimp?
Hold on.
It's a DOA.
On the DOA shrimp. About to measure the trout. Carly's got another one. What do we got?
Oh, he won't lay still. We'll go that way.
He's big enough. He's over 14.
Looks like 16.
Let's see.
Just lays down.
I know he's over 14. That's all that matters.
He is
16.
16
on the dot. In the bucket she goes.
First trot of the day.
About to eat good later. What's Harley got? Oh, nice one.
WS.
He's on the mullet?
No, that was on film. Got some cool spots on the
Oh,
other
it's
side.
over, yeah. Come on, pliers.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Really got another one? Other side. Harley's got a nice red. Let's go measure it real quick. Oh. Ridley got another rat. Harley got the nicest one of the day so far. Probably over.
Right at
Just
23. A little hair over.
Be a big bull one day. It's a nice fish. Into the depths. Holly got another one.
Rat.
Little guy, number 13, I think. He's got a lot of spots again, though. Got 3 on that side.
2 on that. Hook fell right out.
Harley's got what might be number 18. We're using shrimp, by the way. Just frozen shrimp. Harley got his fish stuck. Harley got him off the pipe. Oh, nice keeper. Nice black drum on the shrimp. If he keeps, put him in the bucket.
No, he will. Black drum is right there.
17 and a half.
Yeah.
Gonna be eating good tonight. Another one.
Rat.
Little guy, number 13, I think.
2 on that. Hook fell right out.
Ridley's got, I think, 15. That sounds right. Scaring all the mullet. That one's not too bad. That might be the one that Harley just caught. Oh, he's a little confused.
Why?
Yep, number 16. That one's probably the smallest one of the day. That little guy. That is a rat. And in and out, just like that. Harley got 17. That's a little red. More spots though. Got one on one side, 2 on the other. Look at that tail.
Bright blue.
It looks like a heart too on this side. Kinda.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that. So we got him something. We'll see. That looks like a black drum. Nope, never mind. Not even close. That looks like he's going in the bucket though. He's well over and well under. 18 on the dot. In the bucket. We got 3 reds and a trout so far. Harley's got 19, if I'm counting correctly. I cannot remember, honestly. Another rat. We got 1 quality fish so far. I could do that, yeah. Swallow it. Pliers are right there. Number 18 going back, 19 coming in. 18 or 19, I don't know. We'll have to check the footage. Well, doesn't count. The 3rd black drum of the day. A little bigger. Still not big enough to keep though.
I'll keep them.
Yeah, right. Oh, fell out. Still got the shrimp too. Swimming upside down. Harley got another fish. See what it is here in a second.
Big old black drum.
I hope so. Sorry for the wind.
Oh, it's windy.
Yep. That should be the 18th red. We're about to switch spots somewhere else. Not because they're not biting, obviously they are, but trying to get some more quality fish, get away from these little red fish. Catch some more trout too, hopefully. Need the pliers?
Yes.
They're in your...
I might have to cut it.
Small that shit.
Yeah, it's not slot.
I hope so. Yeah, he should be.
Definitely slot.
See what we're working with. Yep. Perfect.
Yep, right.
20, 22.
Yeah, right at 20.
Swallow the hook, so feel even better about keeping them.
Yep.
Got a bucket full of meat there. Switching spots. I think we got 3 red, black drum, and a trout in here. It's pretty heavy. Walking back to go see if we can't catch some trout, maybe a flounder, get the real slam. We'll let y'all know how it goes. So we're just gonna show what we caught from the first spot.
All right. So there's a fresh fish.
Still moving. That one was 22. And she goes. Better get some ice in a second. That's one red. We got the black drum.
Good even size black.
Another red. I think that one was like 17. Got that trout was like 15. Kind of fat for its size. 16, yeah. Still alive.
I feel like a lot of time trout fillets are thin, but that one looks kind of thicker.
Fish number 3. And then the fourth one. Good save. 4. So we got 2 more. Well, we got 4 more each. Ooh, that's gross. We're gonna keep at it. We're at the super highly confidential second spot, and the camera's flipped for a reason.
DOA.
About to throw some shrimp and whatnot. Try and get some more trout, flounder, black drum, redfish. We're gonna see.
Looks like a little raccoon's come to our spot.
Oh, they
That's a
got
nice
first
little
fish. 16.
Got another trout here.
Slam Shady, baby. Gotta get her done. Thank God for waiters. I've never seen no head shakes like that. Hey. 15. Harley's is 16. At least 16. Double up on the trots.
Another little one.
Got another nice one. Probably 16 if I had to guess. Big enough to keep though, I know that. Another long one. Not exactly what number this is, but here's another one. Got another one, another keeper.
And another keeper.
That's what we leave them with. Having traversed back through the wilderness. I'm falling over. But probably caught just like at least 20 of them. This bucket is heavy. We're about to eat. So good. It's gonna be a great video. I'm tired. So we're just gonna show us what we got again.
Yep, I did not contribute to any of these.
That's all right. That's 1,
Horse count them.
2,
3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the final 13.
Ooh, boy.
Yes,
Getting her
yes, there
done,
was
baby.
one.
That's the any luck way.
It's a little bit later in the day now. Fish, this is about a third of what we caught. I think we got about 20 pounds of meat. Egg wash, flour, almond flour because somebody has a gluten allergy, oil. That is the entire process. I'll show you the finished product.
Show
Yeah,
do an
yeah,
example. Do an example.
So you take it to piece, bang, flip it around, bow, 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 bow. Back in here, we're double dipping. And a nice thick coating. Back in. Once it's nice and covered, pretty sure this oil's not quite hot enough, but it's really cold outside, so we're just gonna have to make do. Drop her in. Take it out when it's golden brown. We'll show you when it's done. Cooking away.
All right, we got a lot more fish coming, but that is what it should look like. And we got some mac and cheese in there. Some tater tots. We got all the friends and family over. About to eat good. Yes, sir.
All right, guys, that about wraps it up. You've seen the finished product. We're personally going to enjoy it. Make sure you go to anyluckfishingco.com. These will be dropping soon along with 3 new shirts. We got these hats in cream, pink, blue, and black. Make sure you check those out. Pretty nice if you ask me. And we'll see you
On
next
sale
time.
too, 15% off site wide.
15% off till January 10th, I believe.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching.